Hello everyone, I am Nitin Cheke, the student of Brisang Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is mobile phone is boon or curse. In this video, we will discuss about various advantages and disadvantages of a mobile. The invention of a mobile brings a lot of changes into the life of the people. The life is become more advanced since the invention of a mobile. Because of the mobile, the world is connected with each other and every information is on a single fingerprint. Means the internet can be directly accessed into the mobile. If the mobile phone is used properly, it is advantageous, and if it is misused, then it can be proved as a curse. Now we will see the advantages of a mobile. The mobile phone is as a the mobile phones are a boons because the internet can be directly accessed on a mobile phones, and because of the internet we can get every information from the Wikipedia or Google within a few minutes of a time. That is, it is a source of a information. As the internet is available in a mobile, we can find out anything on a mobile. Means the data obtained from the various countries, we can see that data with the help of a mobile. Then mobile can also use for the purpose of a communication. It is a main source of communication. Because of a mobile, calling become easy. The mobile phone has take the place of the telephone. In the previous era, there was a telephone were used for the purpose of a calling, but nowadays mobile are most commonly used, and mobile, the network of a mobile is present everywhere in the country, and the mobile is present towards each and every person. Means most of the peoples have the mobile phones. Poor people also have a mobile, rich persons also have mobile, children, adults, women, everyone have mobile phones, and that make the life of the peoples very easy. There are various functions present in a mobile. Mobile is used as a source of the entertainment, as as the music can be seen in a mobile, then videos, YouTube, social media, Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, all these facilities are available on a mobile. Then we can also watch movies on a mobile, and television is also accessed on a mobile. There are various apps like the Jio TV, Hotstar, which provide the contents for the entertainment, that is the movie, music, web series, and etc. Then mobile also contain a camera is used to capture the photos and videos, and these photos and videos can be shared with the friends, family, and within the different groups. Then mobile also has a calculator for the calculation of the various things. The calculator can be used. Then there is a flash is also available in a mobile, which can be used as a torch. Then in mobile there are various functions are available. The video call facility is also available. If we want to communicate with the peoples which sit in a the peoples can with the peoples of the different cities can be communicate with each other from the different places. Suppose I am sitting in Pune, and my friend is sitting in Mumbai, so we can communicate with each other very easily with the help of a mobile. Then mobile phone take the places of a telephone. In the previous era there was telephone used for the calling, but nowadays the mobile phones are most commonly used. With the help of the mobile we can also make a video calls with each other. If one person is sitting in India and he want to make a communication or the video call with the other person which is sit in the Europe, so they can communicate with each other with the help of the mobile and internet. So because of the mobile, the life of the people become very advantageous. Mobile can be used for the multiple purposes. We can do multiple work at a single time by using the mobile phone. Mobile phone is also used for the transaction. There are various banks are connected with the different apps present to the mobile, that is the phone pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, Paytm. These are the different apps which are used for the transaction of the money. That is, it save our time to visit to the bank. If someone want to withdraw the money or someone want to send money to someone, then we can easily make a transaction from one mobile to another with the help of the different apps like the phone pay and Google Pay. So along with the way of a communication, mobile is also become a standard of a safety. As we have seen the various advantages of a mobile, similarly, if the mobile is misused, then it can be also proved as a boon, means it can be a harmful. There are certain disadvantages of a mobile. If the mobile is used for the prolonged duration of a time, it can produce the addiction, means mobile is addictive if it is not used properly. There are various video games are available on the mobile that can produce the addiction. The most of the people consider mobile as a distraction, especially for the students. The students are distracted from the studies because of the excessive use of the mobile. From the mobile, the various radiations are emitted, and the radiations are very dangerous, that can directly damage the brain cells and causes the cancer. Therefore, mobile should be used for a limited purpose. Then there are certain other disadvantages of a mobile, that mobile phone contains the camera, and that camera can be used for abusive works, and that can be promoted further. So it is dependent upon the person to person how to use a mobile. If the person use the mobile properly, it will be a very beneficial, because it is a very small gadget that is used for the multiple purposes. Now another disadvantage of the mobile is that it consumes a lot of time, means we cannot focus on our main work or study because of the mobile. And as per the advantages, mobile also have the various functions like the PDF reader, documents, ebook. We can save the documents on the mobile. So in this video we have discussed about the various advantages and disadvantages of mobile. That's all. Thank you.